how to protect your car from, and how to prepare your car for the monsoon. Hi, I'm Hussein Kachwala, your auto expert, and welcome to Man's Life. So today I'm going to be discussing a very important and topical issue that most of us face with our cars once every year, the monsoons. So let's get going and let's discuss them one by one. So let's start with the tire check. Make sure all your tires are in good condition and have enough tread left in them. Imagine having a flat tire in the pouring rain and you having to get down from your car, changing the tire in the pouring rain, getting drenched and sitting back in your vehicle. Ew, that's gonna stink. Not happening. So let's move on to the brakes. It is very important to get your brakes checked before every monsoon from a professional workshop. I'll give you a basic tip on how to maintain or increase the life of your brake pads during the monsoon. Just in case you've come back from a rainy drive, before you park your vehicle in your parking slot, always move your vehicle while braking a little forward and a little backward while applying the brake. This is going to help dry off all the water which is collected in between your brake pads and your rotors. A light check. Check if all your headlights and taillights are working properly and also your turn indicators. It's very important to have working lights so that you are providing safety to yourself and also to the pedestrians and the drivers on the road. It's very important to get your batteries checked. In case you're running a battery which is 2 years plus, it's always good to get it checked before the monsoons for all the new generation cars. Wipers and the windscreen. It's very important to have good wipers before the monsoons begin. Keeping your windscreen clean, not only from the outside but also from the inside. This is going to help you with a good visibility during night driving. Get rubber mats for your cabin. You need to have good rubber mats that are going to protect your carpet below from getting wet. It's always good to get your car polished and waxed before the rains. This helps from keeping the car paint and the metal clean from the dirty rainwater, which increases the life of the metal and the paint. Waxing the car will always help the water roll off the vehicle and not stay stagnant on the vehicle. Getting your sunroof cleaned. If your vehicle has a sunroof, it is very important for you to take it to a professional workshop and get the drains cleaned off your sunroof. Also the cowl area. The cowl area basically is the area below the wiper blades. It's important to get these two drains cleaned periodically before the rains so that the rainwater does not enter your cabin and the drains are clean. A pre-monsoon routine service. Get a routine service done from a professional workshop before the monsoons, in which they will take care of all these points that I mentioned earlier. If you're in Mumbai, you should head to Car Clinic Mumbai and get all these checks and a routine service done. Lastly, the most important thing to take care of during the rains is not to drive through flooded water if the water level is above the bumper. Most of the new generation cars have the air vents for the engine which are placed right at the bottom of the bumper. In an emergency situation, are driving through water and your car goes off, please remember, do not try to start your vehicle once it goes off while it is parked in water. If you try to start the vehicle and if the engine has sucked in water, it's going to cause a lot of damage to your engine. So just follow these basic tips and tricks to have a smooth drive during the monsoon. That's it from me. I hope you guys have a happy monsoon. For more amazing content from the world of sport, lifestyle, entertainment and auto, follow manslife.in.